Today I am doing an interview with a plant.
Yeah.
Hola, señora, how you say flower?
Tumbergia.
Tumbedia?
Tumbergia, ese género. Genus Tumbergia.
Hola, señora Tumbedia, ¿cómo estás?
I am fine.
Sí, 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 so you hear the plant? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm in Dominican Republic, but I was at a board banding workshop for the entire week. The weather was not nice, but today I have some sun. Anyways, I just wanted to test out the comparison between me four, don't lock there, no? Between the 4K and I was using 1080, so I have the new Action Pro DJI Mini. Oh, that's my drone. I have the DJI Action Pro anyway, but I was using it in 1080. I did not know, I did not realize I was not making a high quality 4K video. This should be a short one. I might have some cool footage from the plane as I was flying into Santo Domingo, and I was in the clouds coming from Miami to the Dominican Republic. But anyway, I have a whole bunch of cool stuff planned for you when I get back to Grenada. This is just an update where I am. It's a short one. So yeah, let me know what kind of content you're looking for. I have some stuff already planned. Oh, I'm in the shade. I have some stuff already planned, and we will see how it goes. So yeah, stay tuned. Don't forget to do the usual stuff. Hit that like button. Click the notification bell. I'm walking below a big tree. Look at the size of this tree. It's a massive tree. Also, I'm barefooted. Let me show you that. I'm always barefooted, no? But I was not able to be barefooted for the last few days because it was raining. It's really cold. I think we call up here Jarabacoa. Jarabacoa in La Valla. I might have to put the spelling for that there because I don't think that's how they pronounce it. But anyway, that's it. If you see this, the quality is good, then yeah. Also look at this beautiful plant. Yeah, it's a really nice place. We're up here in the mountains. It's take about a 3-hour drive from the airport in Santo Domingo. Been here a week. And yeah, I'm going home tomorrow. Lovely journey back to Miami. But anyway, let's see. So far there wasn't anything super that I wanted to like put up, so I just didn't make any video. But just for a video quality test, let's see how this goes. Stay tuned. Only is the...
I really appreciate this workshop has been so well organized. Your Caribbean has put in the work to make it easy here.
I am swinging on the sea, swing, don't know a thing. If I hear the chain break, I fall I'll have to take. But the way my back be hurting, it would damage me forever. So just maybe I should stop swinging so unclever. Dun da 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 dun da 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 dun da 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 da. Alright, I finally on a big plane, boy. See how the plane empty. Giant plane, always on a window seat. Anyways, before the thing come in good, I just get good seats. Check it out. Going to Santo Domingo tomorrow, back to Miami tonight. Hopefully we get something good. Who knows? Domingo. Long line. Second trip. This might make the cut. I don't think it's gonna make the cut anyway. After the mountains, but it's freezing there. 6 o'clock we ready? 6 o'clock in the morning. I up since 5. Then I'm in bed and watch me bed. Well, you know the place messy. Fuck, don't ignore the mess. You know, I share in room, so I'm only showing you my side of the room. Been doing work for the morning. You see? This board we seen today. This board here. No, you mightn't see this, you know. But if you see this, I mean I see something cool. Only watch outside dark still, you know. Outside real dark. But we going outside already. In case I make a video. In case. It's the middle of the morning. Late Jamaicans. Late Jamaicans. Oh, they can't see me face. Oh, they see we up before the cock crow. Anyways, now in a Spanish speaking country, so I have to speak Spanish. So I say, hola, buenos días. Hoy es un día bueno. Estoy muy ocupado, pero es muy divertido. Uy! Holy cold bye. Anyways, I think 2 more days. We had good weather for the week. Now it's some rain. Ooh, feeling cold. Watch my mouth, watch my breath. Well, I can't see, but to cover my ears by. You know the way my ears set up. They are right there. So you don't have no natural warming principles. But you can see it on the video. Well, if was the place cold, I could see my breath. The video ain't picking it up, man. Waste the time. Let me try again.
Maybe holding your breath a bit.
Oh, look at there. Watch, after I did rain and cold weather for the whole week, finally get some sun out today. Oh gosh, Tete and all this, they coming out, I put on a little jersey by. Whole week, I did in the sun. No week I did in the cold. Whatever I was saying, you see, first I distracted. Whole week I did in the cold. I get some sunlight today. I bring out my orange shot. I bring out whatever color shot dies. I put that with my hair. Put some coconut oil in it. Anyways, that board was there on top of it trying to be in my status.